Can you say dada?
Da 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 da.
Say dada.
Da 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 da.
Dada.
Da da. Da 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 da. No.
What about dog?
Say dog.
Say dog.
Dog. Yeah, doggy's over there.
See the dog?
You say dogga?
There's the dog.
You say dogga?
Well, you can do that. That's
Are you an Indian?
Say dog.
Dog. You say dada? Or can you say blah 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 blah? Blah 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 blah.
Dog.
Doggy. Doggy. Doggy.
Somebody tired.
All right. Let's go to bed.
Okay, no more.